This is a standing fan, oscillating fan, and this we have received in through the online order. So we unbox it, and all the parts of the fan we have are in disassembled, and we have to assemble. We take out each and every part. That's the base stand. That's the bottom, you can see. That's a cap cover, which we will insert later. That's the fan. The grill, the safety grill of the fan. That's the motor part, along with the switch panel. This is the screw that will tighten up the fan. Let's see what we are left behind. Also, these are the usual manual and the warranty card. So now assemble the fan. So this is the pipe. There's a nut which we have to loosen and take it out. That's the washer of the nut. So this is what we have to fix over the base. You see, there's a part which should align with this one. You can see a cavity. It should align with the point so that the pipe doesn't move clock or anti-clockwise. And now we have to screw up the nut from the bottom. First put the washer, then the nut, and tighten it, and make sure that the pipe sits exactly at the point where the cavity and the point meets, so that the pipe doesn't rotate clock or anti-clockwise, and it becomes firm. Now screw up this bolt. Make sure with the help of a plier as well as a wrench that this screw has been tightened firmly, because otherwise the pipe will fall and the whole fan assembly will fall. Now pull the steel pipe inside the outer pipe, and from the top this is the cap which will help in covering this area. This is kind of a screw system, like when you tighten it the steel pipe gets fixed. So by pulling and pushing, and this is the head assembly which has the motor, the fan motor, and the regulator switches. You see the screw, just tighten it up and it will get hooked to the steel pipe. Steel pipe is adjustable. This is a lock where the fan will sit, take out this cap kind of thing. Now you see 2 points. Now that's the security grill, safety grill of the fan. You can see there are 2 holes, 2 cavities which has to fit in this 2 points. Now we will tighten up the cap, the circular cap. This will hold it firmly and make sure it doesn't move, the grill doesn't move. Now that's the outer part of the safety grill. Here we have a cap. We can take out the cap. Now you can see 2 points coming out, and see again at the back of the fan we have 2 cavities which has to be aligned with these 2 points, 2 pins coming out. So this will hold the fan firmly. You see, make sure this points get aligned. This will hold the fan firmly while rotating in high speed. See, after manually moving, it's moving. Now that's the screw cap. We will use it to tighten up the fan. Make sure it's tight enough so that the fan doesn't come out. Finally, the safety grill, the outer safety grill. You can see a ring. We have to loosen up this ring, which the screw is there. Loosen up the screw, and this ring gets loosened up, and both the rear and front safety grill that will sit on this ring. And once both the grills are set uniformly over the ring, we have to screw up the ring again. There's the ring. So 50% of the dia will sit along with the rear grill, and see, this is sliding firmly. And now the rest of the 50% of the dia of this ring, see, 50% is left now. So the outer grill, this will sit on the ring, the rest of the part of the ring. And once we firmly align both the front and rear grill with the ring, then we have to tighten up the screw so the ring will hold both the grills together. Yeah, there we go. Now let's see how to tilt. This is the tilting screw. We loosen it up, and then manually we can tilt the fan up or down according to our usage. So suppose I want to put in this position, I will screw it up, tighten the screw, and this will get fixed at this position. At the top you can see this one. You pull the lever up and then the fan start oscillating, and you again put it down in a lock position, then it becomes firm. So switch on the power plug. These are the regulator switches. 0 is to off, and then it's 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 different speeds. That's 1. Started the fan. So it's oscillating almost at 90 degrees. So now enjoy the cool breeze during the hot summer. So this is how we assemble this fan. And yes, don't forget to put the cover cap of the front grille. There we go. So good work done.